Friends, so now I'm going to unbox Panasonic HC V270 model full HD camcorder. So this comes with Wi-Fi inbuilt and 90x intelligent zoom and level shot function and 5 axis hybrid optical image stabilizer and 28 wide angle lens. The brand warranty of 2 years from Panasonic. Okay, let's open this box to see what is there inside. I already opened it to save the time. The first thing you will find in the box is this is the camcorder. Nice, it is very light in weight. It only weighs 216 grams without battery and memory card. Okay, let's keep this side to see what is there inside box. So this is the battery. This is 1940 mAh. And this is the charger adapter. This is the charger. That means one side it is a USB type adapter, and another side this is a common charger like a pin type charger earlier we were using in Nokia phones. This is the mini USB to USB type cable. So this is a mini USB to USB connecting cable. That means so one side will be connected, this mini USB will be connected to your camera, and this is with this help of this USB cable, so we can connect this camera to laptops, computers, and even we can connect this to our phone with the help of OTG cable. We can transfer data also with that. And this is the HDMI cable, mini USB to so regular HDMI cable. That means you can connect your camcorder to HDMI port which is in your television. This is the user manual. Please go through user manual so before using this camcorder. So here it is mentioned everything. So this supports the video format of AVC HD, and it has a HDMI option of playing videos, and it supports SDXC type memory card, and we can record Dolby Digital voice. And this is the Panasonic warranty card. Okay, let's keep this side. So just have a thorough look on this camcorder. This is the camcorder. So the brand name of Panasonic is mentioned on the camcorder. So and full HD and the model, and it comes with 10 megapixel with Wi-Fi inbuilt. So on the top, so there is one button, so we can zoom in and zoom out with this button. Also we can increase volume or decrease volume with this button. And this button is for capturing image. While recording video we can capture image also with this button. So, and I already told it comes with 90x intelligent zoom with hybrid optical image stabilizer. So, and this is the port for charging this camcorder. So that means before charging we need to insert the battery, and after inserting battery we have to charge this. And this is for yeah, this is for opening or closing this lens cover, and a 28 mm wide, so which is mentioned on the lens, and optical zoom. And at the bottom, so there is a option for fixing this camcorder into cam stand, that camera stand. And here, so we can insert some memory card here. Already inserted one memory card. So even if you are having this micro SD card, so with the help of this adapter you can fix into this slot. And here the battery compartment, we have to insert the battery here. And let's open this to see what are all the options are there. So this is the main 2.7-inch LCD monitor. So we can rotate this, we can also rotate this like 180-degree and like this. See, here there is option of mini USB port and mini HDMI port, and this is the power switch on and switch off button. This is the button for connecting your camcorder to your smartphone. So, and this is the level sensor, so it will be useful while taking videos. And this is the option button for taking videos or to switch to see the videos which is already taken. And this is AV option, that means you can connect your camcorder to TV directly. And this is the speaker. So one more button is there, so this is for inserting the battery and to take the battery out. So let's insert the battery to see how does it look when switch it on. See, we have to insert battery like this. See, you will hear some kind of noise. So after inserting battery, let's switch it on. This has LCD monitor of 2.7-inch with a touch screen. So I will post regarding the sample videos which I will take with this camcorder. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share. And you can buy this camera from the link given below. Thank you.